This is perfect because now everybody will learn each other's name. Okay, so we're starting back over with Santoshi. What's your adjective? Sassy Santoshi.
Yeah, we're not sassy.
It will come back to you. You'll have to put an adjective with your name. I'm trying to remember everybody, so this kind of helps me. And then it got 2 weeks in March, so in a month.
Oh, that's quick.
Y'all, I'm gonna let y'all know right now. Do not think I am crazy. At some point, y'all just gonna think I'm crazy, right? When y'all graduate, I'm gonna cry like crazy. So I got a problem. Like, it's like I appear to be, I was checking to see if this had a thing because I'm sitting with my legs wide open. I got a problem. Like, there's a toughness to me. Baby, I am a crybaby. So, I'm letting y'all know because y'all are, so every class thinks they're technically my first class. So it's, from beginning to end. Right. So like I stepped in with them or stepped in when I was in training with the other people, but from beginning to end, the way it should be from friends. So I know your name. But you can give me something anyway. All right? So let's start with Jasmine. Who's Jasmine? Okay. You want to give me something?
Jazzy.
Love it.
Pretty.
I will remember
That's
that.
my business name, Jazzy.
Jazzy Jazz.
Jazzy Minx.
Jazzy Minx, but I'm changing it once I graduate.
Are you doing lashes?
Yeah.
No, I like Jazzy Minx. That's nice. That's what Misty.
Right here.
See, give me something to make me remember you.
My middle name is Dawn, Misty Dawn. So like the morning.
Yep. Misty Dawn. Got it. Okay. Taylor. See?
I don't think I necessarily know what an adjective is.
It's a word that describes a noun. It's a word that describes a noun. So, like, mine would be tremendous for you. Tremendous Taylor.
Can I go back to terrified?
Yeah. You know, get you out of that.
Terrified Taylor.
By the end, it won't be Terrified Taylor. We're gonna switch that up. All right.
Everyone says Tay Tay to me.
Yeah. See, I already have a Taylor, and I call her Tay Tay too.
Yeah.
So that's easy for me. Is she with y'all?
No.
Hi.
Hi. Is this a facial class?
It is.
Okay. I'm Cornetta.
Hi, Cornetta.
I'm like really so
You
sorry.
are really no problem. Okay. Yes. Okay. I did have your roster, so that's good. Do we have an extra kit right back here? Okay. So here's your kit. It's going to be back here. Let me grab you a seat. And I thought you was getting a weed next week, Miss Coney. Not if I can get braids. Are you trying to get me some braids? Me too. Yeah, I like those too. I like those. I've been trying to get it. I'm new here, so I haven't found the styles yet. I actually want to cut my hair back off. I really enjoy hair, so.
guys, so we have to set up our cart a certain way. So this is what it has to look like.
Your fan brush and your bowls are right there. This is a little congested, but this is still the way. Anybody need help setting up their cart?
So when does this one come in?
This one is going to come, I'll tell you, but it's going to come in either right after your extractions or while you have the mask.
Exfoliant.
Okay.
So we'll just put it back here. It'll happen at some point. All right. Anybody, y'all ready? Are we ready to get started? Anybody needs help setting up?
All right.
Let's see.
Uh-oh.
Oh, thank you.
You're welcome. Welcome to the Empress Ball, where you become an Empress.
Greek fans is done with dry hands. Greek fans is with dry hands, and then we add our water. So what's that skin type?
So she has oily skin, but she might be combo because she was kind of dry up in here. She has good elasticity on her cheeks. Her chin feel good, so I don't know if what that means.
That's okay. There's just no congestion there. You don't have to have congestion there. There's just no congestion.
Okay. Well,
so you can say, I'm not feeling any congestion in your chin, and that's a good thing.
Okay. So congestion in your chin, so that's a good thing.
Right. Then I will come back up to her cheeks and say, there's good elasticity in your cheeks.
There's good elasticity in your cheeks.
I am noticing a few pores, larger pores, so that it's going to be indicative of oily skin. However, you're a little dehydrated in your forehead.
Okay.
All right. So then what would you use on her?
So I used a gel cleanser.
Good.
What are we supposed to be using to take the cleanser off?
Take the cleanser?
No, but like
Like
the
a
pads
towel?
right now? Yeah, if we don't have towels right now.
Your sponges.
Oh, okay.
Oh, they got that.
Oh, I'm sorry. You're good.
Take that off.
Do you too?
Everybody's okay?
You do you too?
Yeah.
We got the same camera. That's why I was like, okay. What's your Instagram?
It's
So that's good.
Let me know when you're ready.
Oh yeah.
Drop it on.
Uh-oh. Okay, I'm ready.
It's gonna be the THE underscore Glam GLAM and then underscore Empress EMPR. Yep, the first.
Gotcha.
So I think I would just go ahead and hold it, and then you want to.